Hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here, everybody. Today is Monday the 15th.
Mama.
Yes, AJ. What's wrong? As soon as I turn the camera on. What's wrong? Y'all can't even see him. He's trying to take his jacket off, and I was trying to tell him to keep his jacket on because we're about to go into the store. Cool. We're about to go into the store. We're about to go in, yeah.
What? What happened?
Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm back.
Mama?
So today is Monday. Happy Monday, the 15th. And guess what, y'all?
Mama here.
Tomorrow is somebody's birthday.
Mama?
Birthday.
Here.
Birthday. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it tomorrow? Whose birthday is it? AJ! It's AJ's birthday tomorrow. My boy, my one and only son, is turning 3, y'all. Huh? We want. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your jacket. I really wanted your jacket. So yes, his birthday is tomorrow. He turns 3. So right now we're at the dollar store. I just want to get like a few more decorations. I don't know why I didn't come here first. I had went to Target and got a few things, and I was like, you know what? Let me go to the dollar store first and see what they got, and then like take back whatever I got from Target if it doesn't look right. If this stuff I'm about to get today don't look right. But yes, we are so excited for my boy. We had a really good weekend. We went to go visit my mom, and she took us out to Chuck E. Cheese. She said, let's do something fun for AJ's birthday. We went to Chuck E. Cheese for the very first time, or for their very first time. My kids have never been to Chuck E. Cheese before. And y'all, they didn't change up the Chuck E. Cheese. It was completely different from how I remember when I was a kid. They had a bunch of like arcade games. They had this trampoline thing in there. I was like, what? Let me find out Chuck E. Cheese, and stuffed it up. So the kids had so much fun. We were there for like 4 hours. And there's nothing better than that Chuck E. Cheese pizza. That Chuck E. Cheese pizza gonna hit every time. It was so good. I haven't been at Chuck E. Cheese in like a long time. Since I was like a kid. Like probably since I was like, what? Probably like 7, 8, I don't know. I used to go there all the time with my dad. But yeah, we had a great time. So much fun. But we are back home now. Ari went to school this morning. We're at the dollar store. I need to go to Publix and get our weekly groceries. And yeah, tonight I'm gonna do my whole what is it? My whole, I guess, birthday decorate. I always decorate for their birthday. Every year I do like a little decoration in the kitchen. And yeah, that's my thing. Every year they're gonna wake up to like balloons and just decorations and just be, you know, be feeling good on their birthday. So let's go ahead into this dollar store. It's kind of drizzling right now. It is 8:54. The store opens up at 9. So we have a few minutes to spare. But yeah, let's go in here and see what we see, see what we find, and yeah.
Fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet. But you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving centrifuges. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warmth, different vibe, you know improved. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number 1 fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving centrifuges. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warmth, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing.
Hey y'all, we are back. So we just left the dollar store. I got a few things. I feel like I was just in there picking up stuff because I did not need to spend $30 in a dollar store. Yeah, I'll give you a little dollar haul once I get home. But right now we're at a Walmart, about to go in here and get a few things. I need to get some snacks or whatever again, and I need to get AJ a gift. I did order him something off Amazon, but I need to get him something else. So we'll see what we find in here for him. He had a whole little tantrum leaving the dollar store. I did get him some balloons, so he has his balloons back there. But yeah, let's go find him a little gift. But first, let's stay hydrated. Yes. Ice cold water. Let's go. We are finally back in the car. We've spent $200 at Walmart. I got some snacks and stuff. I got some stuff for Ari's birthday, her like little goodie bags for next month. I got AJ a little gift. So yeah, all for $200, y'all. I told myself that I'm only gonna go to Walmart's on Wednesday because we're gonna call it Wally World Wednesday, and today's Monday, but I wanted to get this stuff before his birthday, which is on Tuesday. And, you know, we go to Target on Tuesdays, Target Tuesdays. But we'll see what we get into tomorrow. We might do something fun tomorrow, something special. Just not sure what exactly that's going to be. But yeah, let's head on to the house so I can unload all this stuff. Today is one of those days where I'm really missing Starbucks. I miss Starbucks. I want me a caramel ribbon crunch so bad right now. So bad. But we're going to push through. Only drinking water for the month of January. Today is the 15th, so we're halfway through the month, y'all. Halfway. It's been 15 whole days of me just drinking water. So yeah, let's head on to the house and unload the car. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear AJ. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Make the bread for me.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Blow, AJ. Good job. One more. Yay!